And we're back with Cooking with Cain. So now that you got all that stuff in there marinating, that grouse that you just shot in the head, cut its wings off while it's trying to eat its dinner. What a way to go, eh? Mind its own business. Some asshole comes around, puts a cap in his ass. So you put that all in there and you fucking mush her up. I'll let this sit overnight. Get the celery in there. Then, after it sits, fuck yeah, looks pretty good. Get that all marinated. Let it sit overnight. Got myself a nice marinated grouse. All the vegetables thrown in the freaking in the roaster. Slam her in the oven and away I go. Well, that's the episode for Cooking with Cain. Join me again for nice, great recipes.
When the sign says